What's up guys, it's Shivangi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the tutorial for this makeup look. I have not used a foundation, I have not used a concealer, I have not even used a bronzer. This is my go-to makeup look, guys. This is the kind of look which I like to carry when I'm casually stepping out. 80% of the time, this is the makeup which I do. It's very simple and very light on the skin, and the main hero product of this look is Pond's BB cream. Before I begin, I want to mention that you can use any BB cream that you like. You don't have to use this one. This is just the one which I always use. This is my favorite. That's why I'm using it. And it kind of, sits well on my skin tone. So yeah, that's why I'll be using Pond's BB cream. Also, the links of all the products which I'll be using today will be in the description box below. So definitely check it out. And yeah, that's it. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. First, I'm going to use Colorbar Perfect Match Primer to prep my skin. Next, I'm going to start with the application of BB cream. I'm going to use my fingers to apply it. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of BB cream on areas where I usually apply my concealer, basically the darker areas of my face, and I'm going to blend it with a concealer brush. If you try to do this step with your fingers, the BB cream can become patchy. That's why I used a concealer brush. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder and set the BB cream with it. BB cream does not give a lot of coverage, so you need a high coverage compact or a powder to set it. Usually, I use MAC Studio Fix Compact to set it, but for today, I just thought I'll use a loose powder. Next, I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll be using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake to do that. After filling out the eyebrows, I'm going to apply my blush. I don't use a bronzer or a contouring product for my go-to makeup look. For blush, I'll be using Sugar's Face Forward Blush Stick. A lot of people use these blush sticks directly, but I prefer to use them with a brush so that I can control how much blush I'm putting. Plus, it blends better. I apply the blush on the apples of my cheek and a little bit on my nose as well to give my face a flushed look. Next step is highlighter. I'll be using L'Oreal's highlighter in the shade Be Brave. First, I'll highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. This is something I always do even if I'm not wearing an eyeshadow. After that, I'll start highlighting all the high points of my face. I don't go very heavy on the highlighter. I use it sparingly to get a subtle sheen. Next, for mascara, I'll use L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara. I like to go heavy on my mascara, guys. Once I apply one layer of mascara, I let it dry completely. Then I apply second layer for extra volume. I really like this mascara, guys. There's a kind of volume it adds to your lashes if you apply 2 layers of it. Next step is putting on a lippy, and I'll be using PAC Sweet Sensation Lip Cream in the shade Dolled Up. And in the last and final step, I'll be using a dewy setting spray. I'm using PAC's Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. And that's it, guys. this is my go-to makeup look. It takes me about half an hour to do this makeup, and sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I can do this in 20 minutes as well. And the best thing about this makeup look is that you can pair it up with pretty much any lip color. Like, it's just gonna look nice because your skin is very clean and natural. So any color that you put on your lips is going to look good on you. The second best thing is that your skin is going to feel super light. You won't even realize that you've got any makeup on, and touching it up is very simple. You just need to carry your compact in your bag and you can just touch it up throughout the day whenever you need to. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look, guys, and also throw in some ideas. I really want to create many more makeup tutorials. That's the zone that I really want to get into. So let me know what kind of tutorials you want to see. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting a lot of makeup related updates there. And if you have not subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, guys: Hindi, English and Bengali. We're working triple hard, so your support would mean the world to us. All the links will be in the description box below. Do have a look and subscribe if you like our content. And that's it. I shall see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Mwah.